Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another product review I want to do today on this Lucas Red and Tacky aerosol grease. I've not seen this before. I saw it in a place the other day, and I asked the lady at the counter, I says, do you sell a lot of that? She says, yeah, we sell a lot of it. I says, does it work good like fifth wheel grease, kind of thick when it comes out? She said, yeah, guys seem to like it. It's the Red and Tacky grease, which she claimed it's the same thing that you get in those clear packets you just throw on your fifth wheel and let them squish and spread around. Kind of skeptical of that you could get that thick of a grease to, you know, aerosolize it to come out of a can. We'll give it a try. I'm always kind of looking for a better product to grease my fifth wheel with. There's days when I'll pull, if I'm doing power only, I'll pull 3-4 different trailers, and most of the aprons are drier than a popcorn fart. So rather than drag the grease gun out constantly, I was just kind of looking for something quicker and easier. Use this stuff, and honestly, I'm just tired of it. It's messy. You can't get it out of the damn bottle, and then you're stringing it all over and you're getting it on yourself. I've just had enough of it. I'm not using it anymore. This probably pretty popular. Not saying it doesn't work well. I'm just tired of the pain in the butt getting it out of the bottle. I've used some different aerosol greases. I've tried the Schaefer's aerosol grease, and it's okay, but it's hard to find and it's pretty pricey. This was $8. I don't know what to expect from it, honestly. So jeepers, guys can't get along here in the truck stop. Anyway, I scraped all the excess grease off the fifth wheel. There's still grease on it. There's a couple dry spots. I'm hooking up to a trailer here today. I'm going to run a 700-mile trip with it, drop it on the other end. We'll take a look and see. Obviously, we won't tell much when we drop trailer. Maybe just see if, you know, how much is still on there or whatever. But kind of want to get my impressions of it as we apply it here. So let's walk around to the fifth wheel here and give this a try. Now you got to shake this thoroughly. I've been shaking it, so I'll shake it some more. Now here's what the fifth wheel looks like. It's got some grease on it. You can see there's dry spots. We're gonna touch it up with this and see what it comes out like. It's really windy out here today, so forgive me for the noise. Yeah. Gonna have to cover this well. This is thin stuff. So much for the economics of it, because you got to use a lot of it to cover the to get enough on the fifth wheel here. Let's go around the other side. I'm guessing that the lady at the counter didn't really ever see for herself. I don't think this was intended to be used on fifth wheels. I looked at the can. There's no NLGI rating on the can. It's not a NLGI rated #2 grease, which I did notice that right off the bat. Anyway, give it a fair shake here anyways. Let me just spray a little on my finger here so you can, well, here's some overspray from the can. It is red, it is good and slippery, but it is not thick at all. Just the first impression. It's not tacky. When I do that, it's not tacky at all. So I don't expect much here. It might, well, we'll judge it at the other end. It might be good if you're say, you know, you're busy during the day, you're in a hurry, you just maybe want to touch up your fifth wheel, you don't want to drag the grease gun out till later. Maybe this is a good solution for that. I don't know. We'll give it a fair shake here. So I got good coverage on the fifth wheel there. We'll call that good. Do this 700-mile trip and take another peek at it. I just dropped the trailer. Just showing you what the fifth wheel looks like here. I don't expect to see a lot, you know, from this. Obviously, we're not going to see any red grease because it mixes with the old stuff that was on there. After a greasing, though, I would expect to see a little more grease left on there. She's pretty, you can see bare metal there. I sprayed it down pretty heavy. Obviously, this is not a complete scientific test where I got all the grease off the fifth wheel. Just kind of wanted to see, as an impression, what this stuff was like. And I would say it's not really appropriate for a fifth wheel grease. It's just too darn thin. And just the reason I'm doing this is so that you don't waste your money buying something, trying it out, if you already know that it's not going to do a great job. Not saying this is garbage. I think it would be pretty handy around the house, you know, if you need to get a little grease on a sliding pin or something. The garage door, I don't know. But just saying it's probably not something you want to be using on a fifth wheel. I guess if you just want to touch it up quick and you're in a big hurry, spray a little on there till you got a little time to get your grease gun out and grease it properly. But it's just it's thin. It's not tacky. They can call it red and tacky, but it ain't tacky. And it's, like I said before, it's not an NLGI number 2 rated grease. So anyway, $8 probably better spent just buying a tube of chassis grease or something. Just thought it would be a quick and easy temporary solution, you know, when you're in a hurry. But yeah, I probably won't buy any more. I'll just take this can, use it around the house. All right, take it easy. Hit that like button, subscribe. We'll see you later.